1 hour na ba ako? Wait lang, naka 1 hour na pala ako. Ay, hindi pa pala. Kailangan ng 1 hour na. Ilang minutes na. Okay. Init, grabe. Hello, hi. Welcome. Slowly, the time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. This light has touched and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you, I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Take me, taste me, till I can't deny this loving you feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on, Ma'am Graba. You're late. Hindi ka ba, open ka lang. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. I never want to try, don't lose it. Ay, ganon. Go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tempe, taste me, till I can't deny this loving you feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on. Paano kaya ma'am mag-invite dito ma'am? Ay, ganon. Oh, nag-ano ako. Nag-reply ako. Akyat ka, ma'am. Naiwan ako. Ganon. Iniwanan ka. Teka lang, ma'am, akyat ka. Paano ba pag-akyat dito? Wait lang, i-charge ko lang. Paano ma'am umakyat dito? Akyat ka nga ma'am. Paano ba? Hindi ko lang alam. Kaya pala salita ko ng salita doon eh. Paano ba rito ma'am mag-invite? Eh, hindi ko alam. Paano ba?